flow. Live is started, right? Already.
Yes, sir.
Go to link. So the concept of the message class is like this. This is your message class here. Message class. Okay. So this message class advantage is you can use in any number of programs. Web program one. Web program two. Right. So message class you can use same message class here, here, and here as well. Reusability. Reusability. Okay, na? So you can note down somewhere, maybe the notebook or not. Reusability. Sorry. Message classes are reusability. Message classes are reusability. Reusable across web programs. Right. So if you go to here, right? If you go here, wrong here. I think I have not used this one, right? So that's why I'm not get this one here. V underscore matter. I should do here V underscore right here. Activate here now. Wrong value here. Execute here. Does not exist. See here, the advantage here is if we do this message class, right, it will show you from where you are getting the message. Right? This is the message class name and this is the message number. See, this one. Many times this is very useful, this concept of finding the message class.
Sorry, sir, I was in delay.
Just I'm starting. Okay. This is the flow. Imagine that there is a selection scale means input validation should be done. Okay, now we'll go to the next topic. So you can also give like this. Without message class also you can give. For example, I'll do quickly one more. You can try the remaining fields yourself as well. For example, listen very carefully. You understood the concept. Suppose there is a plant p underscore works. Right? MARC hyphen works. What is works means plant name in MARC table. Okay. Now I will give the validation for the plant field. Okay, think first 1 minute. Okay. Any validation should be done against to the main table of the field. Main table. Main table. Suppose if I give line number 10, right? 10 Marcy hyphen works means in the Marcy, this plant is there, works field is there. So MARC may not be the master table. How do you find the master table for a given field? Main data. Where you can find it? Understood? Question is clear? So I know that this field is available in MARC table, material with the plant. I double click here.
Sir, question is not clear for me.
Question what I am saying is in this table plant field is available. Plant field. Okay.
Plant field. Okay.
Plant means you know it, all of you. Where the things will manufacture
Okay.
the plant, right?
Plant data for material. Okay.
This is the plant with the materials information you can find here. Now my question here is see, in this table you will be having the material number and plant. Okay. So how do you find out in which table this plant is having the main table, master table? You can say main table or master table. Where you can say that this is having the main data in the main table. This is all dependent tables. Dependent. How do you know? In where you can find out that information? Listen, all of you, I mean, very carefully because this is the where concepts, right, where we can differentiate than the Udemy or courses and all as a trainer, what will enable you to think. Question is very important in the class. Whatever we are writing, every sentence is important. Faculty, whatever we teach, right? Every sentence also we should listen very carefully what we are asking, because that will give you the clarity. What we are asking, what you should think, right? My question here is in this table, material and with the plant information is available. Plant field name is works. How do I know, right? In every of this data, right? Master table will be there generally for every data. Like for material number, Mara. Like that, for this plant field, where I can find out the main table information, table name, where I can find out. Where I click so that
Search
for every main
options.
table. No, no, not such.
Value table field.
Correct, perfect, very good, nice, nice, nice. Value table. So where will be that value table will maintain?
Data element domain.
Perfect, perfect, very good. Data element domain. Go to here. Go to value range here. Here you can find out here. This is the value table. How? Double click here. Take you to the value table. This is the main table. So this table will be having the main plant information, master data. Why? Because with the primary key, there is only plant data here. All plants information will be find out here. Right? Also, you can consider this one thing. This also is a check table. Not only the value table, check table also. How to verify that? Go back, 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 back. Put a cursor here. Okay. How do I know for this one which is the check table or parent table? Check table, parent table is same concept. Huh? Now tell me, if I know the field name in the table, how can I find out the parent table for this field or check table for this field? Both are same.
Checking the foreign key or primary key.
Correct, correct, correct. You are right. So put a cursor here and click this foreign key here. You'll get a pop-up here. Here it tell you that check table name. This is check table. Nothing but parent table. Nothing but value table. Okay. This where your concept of domain and all will be get clarity. So you don't get a clarity when we are teaching the initially when web application is going on. At that time you might not be knowing exact purpose of this domain, data element and all. Value table, right? Foreign key table and all this. What exact where you find it. Are you getting point here? Okay. Now always the validation should be at the with the main table.
Yeah.
Not generally, but otherwise you can also do MAS, for example, not to make you confuse you. Now tell me here. You tell me I will write a code. Okay. How to write a now for the planned value, how to check it? Select, tell me the select statement. Take line number 15 as a reference and tell me how do I do the validation for the planned field for the planned.
Select
Single.
Select
WERKS.
single. Tell single.
WERKS from MARC value
Right? Now, how do you know it is success or failure? Line number 16. What I should write the code? Line number 17.
if
This is code is for material number. This is for material number here.
if else condition.
You should practice like this. Put it like this here. Validation of material
Validation
number.
of material number.
Like this, we put it right. It will be very good. You should practice in the real time projects. We do this way only. Validation of plan.
Whether the entered number is valid or not.
And now this will become true or false. If I check the syntax, you'll get error or not.
Yes.
So why? Because I have not declared the
Variable
variable, right?
is not declared.
So I will declare here.
Variable
Comma v underscore works type mar hyphen works, right? Check syntax. No error. Now tell me what code I should write here. What code I should write so that plant will be validation is done. Right? What I should write? Tell me quickly. Check 22, 22. Tell quickly.
if W works,
Mhm. What is check 22, 22 and tell you can tell, right? What is the code 22, 22? Same thing you tell. Right? Message E. You can also without message class also you can give. I'm just for example I'm telling you. You can write. Plant. Plant. Right. You can do like this also. This also will allow. No need of message class. So message class advantage is, what is the advantage of going to message class than this one? Now if I execute, check syntax, activate, execute, give some value here, correct value from the drop down. Go here wrong value, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D. Right? If I execute, do you see that at the correct plant value? Now tell me, think 1 minute. What is the advantage of going for the, which one is the advantage? Whether going for line number 21 is the advantage or going the way of 30 is the advantage? Tell me. Here message class you are not creating line number 30.
Line number 21 is the advantage.
So what is the advantage?
Because reusability. This message.
Perfect. Very good. Nice, nice, nice. Very good. Reusability. So same message class you can use in any number of programs, but here line number 30 is not reusability. Clear?
According to the line number 30, we have to create for this message class for every program. But line number 21 is
No. Line number 30, we are not creating any message class. Only it will generate message, that's all, because you are hard coding the message without a message class. Line number 30.
line number 21. By default, it is displaying as we are entering the information. It is giving the details as we default.
No,
We
the
are
line
entering
number
them.
21, no, because you are using the message class here. Here. This is the message class.
Yeah,
From this
earlier.
message class, the message number will take this one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'll move on. No? So debugging, right? Debugging, if you have the, anyway, we'll be going on doing that so that you understood on the fly. Okay. Next, I'll go to. So I give also the homework, right? SW, right? You practice that. What is the use of that I, W, X, and all different message types I give. Practice that. And this one also, as a homework, what you do is take material type as input and do the validation for this material type. Field material type, this contains in Mara table. That's all. I'll give only this. Okay, you try yourself. What field name and all I don't give. Okay, you do the validation with the message class. Okay.
Like material numbers, huh?
Like what we have done, plant and material number.
Oh,
Live is going on, right?
yeah.
So it is going on.
This I will give a homework. Tomorrow I'll ask you. Okay. The next important topic is next 10 minutes I'll take. 11:30 I'll stop. So yeah. Next is selection screen. What is selection screen? What is the purpose of selection scheme? This is selection scheme or not? What we have done here just now. What is this screen? Selection schemes.
User input screen, and it is checking from database whether it is correct or not, and it is displaying the details.
Basically, it's a user input screen. User input screen.
It is not selection screen.
This is selection scheme. Nothing but user input. Both are same only.
Okay.
Selection
Means
scheme.
it is checking from database
Checking is
by
a
user
different.
input. What
Checking is the functionality we have implemented. This screen is for
searching
doing
from
the. No, no, no. See, the screen purpose is to give the
little
input
bit
values.
I'm confused as
No
searching
problem.
and checking. I
No,
don't
no,
want to
no.
confuse you.
No, no,
That's
it's
why
not
I'm
like that.
asking.
See, listen, all of you. To make it very simple, right? One line. This screen is selection screen. Nothing but input screen. Okay. Where user can give the input. That's all. 4 lines. Okay, note down somewhere. And next validation is the secondary. That is the functionality. After you give, what will happen. Okay, now this you can define in the different ways. Hmm, click on create selections. Think of if I give this, what will happen? Line number 8.
Default value directly in 100 is input us.
So it goes as I'm using that.
It will constant from database whether
No, no,
it
no.
is.
This will come as a default when you execute here.
Yes.
This came as a default here. It's a default value.
Means user don't have to enter the data in the field.
Ah, correct, correct. So to the user, it gives the default value. No, this one, what will happen if I give like this? Think of
From Mara table, by default, the data will come.
is
The
it
material number.
data will come from the database table Mara only with the select statement.
Yeah.
Without any select statement, there is no data transfers from your database to the program. This is the flow, right? This is your database here. Database. From database, if you want to bring any data, this is the program. This is the program. Unless you write a select statement, control will go to here. Check the data is available, and the data will come back to here. Okay, so what could be the purpose of this statement? Line number this line number 8. What is this Mara if matter?
Means it is available.
Huh?
It is available in Mara table.
No. Think any other way. What is the meaning of this Mara hyphen MATNR?
We are defining the value.
No. What is this type Mara hyphen MATNR? What will do?
Type of the material in the Mara table
Hmm.
as material number 100.
Hmm. What is that you understood, Bhavani? What is the type Mara hyphen MATNR?
In database table, Mara material number M100 is there or not, we'll be checking.
No. Any checking is required means select statement is required. There
Yeah,
is no
yeah,
select statement here,
yeah.
right? Think. Ganesh will be knowing, so I don't ask Ganesh. Think. What is the purpose of type statement? Why we use the type statement?
Data type, which type of the
Yes.
material
So, what will happen from Mara hyphen matter means?
is the material number type,
Correct. Material number data type.
data type.
Mara hyphen matter means meaning is go to Mara table, take the material number field, take the data type and give it to the P underscore MATNR. There is a meaning here. Meaning is from Mara table, there is a material number field. For that field, what data type is available, take that data type for this one. There is a meaning. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Go to the Mara table, material number field M100 or whatever
Data
you
type. Only
So
data
that
say.
types.
in
This
Mara
will
table,
give only data types.
this will be assigned to the parameter P
Correct.
underscore material.
Yes. And P underscore box type MAX looks. Right. So what is the difference between these two? Line number 8 and line number 9, what is the difference?
In line number 8, it goes to Mara table MATNR number.
Plant.
Number 9 works. I mean, plant number type will be assigned to P underscore works.
See, maybe take off
Parameters.
the terminology. It goes to Mara type, the terminology you can take off. Here meaning is refer to the data type for the field what is available in the Mara table. That is the meaning here, control here. But double click here, it goes to here. Mara table matter. What data type is available? Character 40. From where this comes? From data element. Like
Yeah.
this. Okay, now. Oh, before parameters, we have one more thing. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Just quickly we'll go through these things. Line size, line count, message ID, no standard page ID. Let's quickly we'll do this one. For now, just 5 minutes, we'll put a comment this one.
We have to give this one line size 5 or 10 means what?
So we'll see what is that meaning of that one.
Okay.
End loop. Now,
End loop.
if you think here, if you execute, what will happen?
End loop.
Line size is total number of lines per page.
Only 5. End loop.
The loop
End loop. Yes.
and do instead of loop.
Now, if I execute, see what the meaning of 10 is?
Sometimes it
Sorry,
will
5 means after every 5 lines, the new page will come. Do 10 times as per index. Sorry. Not line size, line count. Number of lines per page.
till 5 it will come means
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every 5 lines, one new page will trigger. 1,
like
2, 3,
5
4, 5. After every 5 lines. Okay. Message ID already we have done. Can you take this one as homework? What is the purpose of line size? Line count I give already. Try this one as homework. Below you have the example. Okay, na?